Hello. Today we are going to talk about an idiomatic expression which is called "off the back of," just off the back of. Uh, just off the back of is an idiomatic phrase which means that something happens immediately following or as a result of a preceding event. It means that something has already been happened, and due to that event, something recurring or something in connection with that or a result or as an outcome of that happens. So there is a linkage and there is a connection between this. So this idiom just on the back of means this that something happened after an event has occurred. And if we use it in example, we can say that like company launch a product just on the back of successful marketing campaign. Here we are talking about a marketing campaign which was very successful. That after the success of that marketing campaign, we were able to launch a new product and enter into the new market. If we see the connection of this idiom, there is a connection of this idiom with other idioms also. There's another phrase, idiomatic phrase, which is "of the back of a lorry." Of the back of a lorry is a British slang which means that something you have acquired illegally or through dubious means. So, of the back of a lorry means that dubious means you have acquired something and illegally. Then there's another idiom which is more similar to this, just on the back of, and it is called "off your own bat." The first we have discussed just on the back of, and now we are discussing "off your own bat." Off your own bat means that you have done something on your own initiative. So, "of your own bat" means that you have done something on your own initiative. So this is I wanted to discuss a new idiom that we can use in sentences and to make our phrases and structure of sentence look good. And it would be better if we use such kind of phrases to make it more impactful communication.